Hey everybody, Dylan Hotsmith here with SkipperBud's North Point in Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. I'm out here today featuring an Aviara 32. It's a 2024 and we got a great deal on it. The boat retails at $589 and the sales price for it is $369. This boat length overall is 32 feet 6 inches. The beam on it is 10'4", and the boat is powered by twin 6.2 Ilmor 430 horsepower engines, giving you 860 horsepower overall and a top speed of 50 miles an hour. So let's jump aboard and check it out. So on the back of this Aviara 32, you have tons of space for entertaining. So you have a large swim platform here. Then you also have a submersible swim platform underneath. You have your swim ladder here as well. And it's pretty cool, the seating back here. So you can adjust these seats to different heights. You can also flip this up and now you can sit 6 people back here comfortably. Underneath, on this side, is where you have your shore power connection and your battery switches. Also a storage area. You also have a large storage area back here with drains in it, so you can put lines, wet life jackets, anything like that. Moving into the boat, on your way in, there's a nice locker for your dedicated fender storage, which is nice because you don't have to stick it in another storage compartment. You have a dedicated space for your fenders. As we work our way in, you'll find a nice trash can that's easily accessible. A large storage compartment underneath the wet bar. In here, you have a little compartment to put some ice, maybe some drinks, some lunch meats, things like that. You also have a large sink. And then dedicated storage for bottles, so wine bottles, champagne bottles, whatever you'd like. Another cool feature is this Aviara branded cooler that is dedicated storage for it with bungee straps to keep it in place while you're underway. It's a nice cooler, it's kind of like a Yeti cooler. And then you also get a second cooler. So lots of options for refrigeration in this boat. Back here you just have storage. So we got the canvas and poles in there right now. Same here. This is actually where your tabletop stand is. The tabletop gets inserted here and you have a nice area to hang out and have a dinner or lunch while you're out on the water. You have teak overlay in some of the areas over here, so around the cup holders. And then you also have dedicated phone storage, and they're angled down so that the phone doesn't fall out when you're underway. Moving forward up into the helm area, you can adjust your seat forward and backward, and you have full boat overview. So anything you want to control, your windlass, your sunshade, windshield wipers. A really cool feature on this boat is you have cooled cup holders for the captain. So it'll show you what where the zone is that you're using it. So yeah, you can cool your cup holders. Cool feature. And then you get your engine data on this screen over here. You also have your throttles here and your joystick control. So the boat does have joystick control. While you're using it, on the screen it'll activate, hey, you're in joystick mode, and it'll show you what your drives are doing as you're operating the joystick. So there's no guessing what your boat's doing. It's showing you what it's doing, which I think is a really cool feature. Working our way over, you have a large day head in this boat. So I'm 5'8" tall and I stand comfortably in here. Got a nice locker for toiletries and towels in here. Same thing on this side. And also some space below. So lots of storage in this boat. Making our way into the bow, you can cut this area off. So you're gonna have some wind protection. Slide this closed and that's locked in place now. Then when you come into the bow here, you're gonna notice it's really deep. So, I mean, this is hip height on me. Like I said, I'm 5'8". But when you sit down, I mean, it's almost shoulder height. So it's really comfortable up here and you're really sunken down. And when you're in rougher water, so if you're on a bigger lake, Lake Michigan, anything like that, you're gonna be comfortable up here. You're not gonna get thrown around too much. You also have audio control up here, plenty of cup holders. And something I didn't mention before, these grates that are up are protecting the audio system, so your speakers. And I think it's just kind of a cool way to kind of hide them and not have them be exposed. It kind of adds a touch of class to it. You also have storage under most of these seats up here. So if you'd like to come view this boat, we are located at 215 North Point Drive in Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Give us a call, schedule an appointment.